WUSA 9 Weather Impact Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Well, heat is the big weather story today, along with the chance for showers and storms. When can you expect the hottest temperatures? That's going to be between noon and 8 p.m. Impacts include high heat and scattered storms. What do you need to know? Have a place to get shelter, especially somewhere with air conditioning, and you want to stay hydrated with the type of heat that we're going to be dealing with today. We do have a heat advisory in place from noon until about 8 o'clock this evening. The heat index will be between 100 and 109. That's how hot it's going to feel to your body. And even for our neighbors in St. Mary's and Charles counties, there is an excessive heat warning for those particular areas. By the hour, this is what it looks like. So you can see the heat will add at least another 10 degrees to the temperatures. It'll make it feel hotter than what it is. And then at 1 o'clock, it's 94, feels like 105. By 3 p.m., 96, feeling like 107. By 5 o'clock, 97, feeling like 107. And by 7 p.m., it's 94 and feels like 104 degrees. This is what happens in this type of scenario, which is why I'm concerned about this high humidity combined with the heat. Our bodies cool off by sweating. That sweat evaporates, and that's what cools us off. However, when you're dealing with a situation with high humidity and temperatures at 90 degrees and above, it slows down this entire process, and it makes your body work harder to stay cool and to stay at an optimal temperature. Things like this can cause heat-related illnesses. People can become more susceptible to that in these types of conditions. As far as severe weather today, our chance for that is very low. We can see that there is a very low risk on a scale of 1 to 5 in the Cumberland and Hagerstown area. For Metro DC, it's not severe weather, so to speak, that we're concerned about, but rather showers and storms that could bring on some really heavy rain. There is a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. We know people will be traveling or trying to do things outdoors. So anytime after 5 o'clock, we could see a shower storm pop up. However, everybody's not guaranteed to get a storm. They're going to be very spotty, but if one pops up in your neighborhood, expect some really intense downpours for a bit. This is Friday at about 8:10 this evening. We can see some scattered showers popping through, same around the 10 o'clock hour. And as we get into Saturday, it starts off dry, but then once again by Saturday afternoon and evening, we'll have another chance to pick up on some showers in the area. Sunday is looking like the driest day of the weekend. Tomorrow, still pretty hot out there with high heat index values. Tomorrow by noon, it's 92, but feels like 101. Tomorrow by 2 o'clock, it's 93, but feels like 102. And by 4 p.m. tomorrow, we're still in the 90s, feeling like 103 degrees. We're still tracking the very latest on Hurricane Beryl. This is going to be making landfall pretty soon, and it's going to move across Mexico and weaken into a tropical storm and then re-strengthen likely to a Category 1 storm, making another landfall between southern Texas and the northern edge of New Mexico. So Brownsville would be in the path of this particular storm. We know that even with tropical storms, they can cause many hazards, so it's something that we'll be keeping a very close eye on. Your 7-day forecast, then the 90s will be ruling for the next 7 days. We're at 98 today, 94 tomorrow. Again, some spotty storms are possible on both days. Sunday is looking like the coolest and the driest day of the weekend, but that's not saying much when temperatures are at 92 degrees. We're up to 93 Monday and pleasant, 94 Tuesday with a storm chance. Could see a few storms on Wednesday with temperatures in the upper 80s, 87 by Thursday.